Hi, this video is going to discuss indifference curves, explain what they are, and show you the graph of what typical indifference curves look like. We will also use our 4 assumptions about preferences to help us sketch these indifference curves. So what is indifference curve? It will show you the set of all bundles of goods that a consumer considers to be equally desirable or the same. An indifference map will provide a complete set of indifference curves and summarize a consumer's taste or preferences. So let's provide an example. We've sketched 2 goods on these axes. We have good Y on the vertical and good X on the horizontal. And let's consider this bundle A, which has some of both of these goods. The question is, hey, which bundles are going to be preferred to A? Well, by the more is better assumption, any bundle that lies to the north of A or any bundle that lies to the east of A will be preferred. And more generally then, any bundle that lies to the northeast will be preferred. Why? Because it gets you more of either one or both of these goods. In a similar fashion, which goods are not preferred to A? Well, any goods that provide you with less of the Y good, or so to the west of bundle A, or to the south of bundle A will provide you less of the Y good or less of the X good. And more generally, any bundles that lie to the southwest are going to be less preferred. So I've just sketched this region, the happy, smiley face region, you like more than bundle A. Any bundles that lie here in the southwest region, I've sketched a frowny face, you like these less than bundle A. But what's unclear is what happens if we're in this quadrant to the northwest of A. We need indifference curves to help us determine which bundles we like the same, more, or less than A. In the same fashion, to the southeast of bundle A, we again will need indifference curves to help us determine which bundles we like more than A, less than A, or equally preferred to A. So consider this indifference curve that I've labeled I1. Some books will also use the notation U1 for utility. And this bundle C, for example, it lies on the same indifference curve as bundle B. Thus we can infer that bundle B and bundle C are equally preferred, or you're just as happy with either bundle. Also, bundle A is on this same indifference curve, as is bundle D. So, since they all lie on the same indifference curve I1, we say a consumer is, these bundles are equally preferred. A is equally preferred to B, B is equally preferred to C is equally preferred to D. By the law of transitivity, then A is equally preferred to both C and D. So all of these get you the same level of happiness. So if those bundles are equally preferred, which bundles does the consumer prefer more than indifference curve I1? Well, there are an unlimited number of indifference curves that you can sketch. Any indifference curve that lies further to the northeast, you like more. So for example, indifference curve I2 lies to the northeast of I1, or further from the origin. Any bundle on I2 you like more than any bundle that's on I1. So which indifference curve does the consumer like less than I1? Well, these are graphed here on I0, this indifference curve that lies closer to the origin. These, more generally, are indifference curves that lie to the southwest of point C in indifference curve 1. So I0 are bundles that are less preferred to I1. So this is a quick summary of indifference curves and graphs of the typical shaped indifference curves.